Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the start switch in this KitchenAid garbage disposer, you will need a 3/8" nut driver, a flathead screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a 3/16" socket. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the unit's power cord. Detach the dishwasher's drain hose from the disposer inlet port, if applicable. Using the 3/8" nut driver or the flathead screwdriver, unthread the two mounting screws, securing the tailpipe flange to the disposer. Now rotate the lock ring counterclockwise to release the disposer from the sink and set it on a towel. Use the small flathead screwdriver to help detach the retaining clip securing the cover. Remove the cover. Using the 3/16" socket, unthread the 4 screws securing the disposer housing. Turn the unit upside down and mark the unit's base and casing to notate the screw locations for proper realignment. Insert the flathead screwdriver into the slot in the casing to help pry the disposer base out of the casing. Depress the tabs to release the start switch from the base. Note the orientation of the start switch wires, then disconnect them from the switch. Untwist the wire nut to disconnect the neutral wire from the power cord wire, and you can fully remove the old switch. To install the new start switch, join the neutral wire to the power cord wire and twist the wire nut on to secure. Connect the start switch wires to the appropriate terminals on the switch. Insert the rear start switch tab into the hole in the base. Position the safety switch, then snap the front retaining tabs into the base. Properly reposition the base on the casing so the markings align. Return the unit to its upright position. Then thread and tighten the 4 screws to secure. Realign the cover and insert the retaining clip to secure the cover. Reinstall the disposer by positioning it in the mounting bracket, making sure the disposer's outlet port is aligned with the tailpipe. Confirm the tailpipe gasket is in place on the outlet port. Then position the tailpipe flange with the port and thread the 2 screws to secure. Now fully rotate the disposer lock ring clockwise until it locks into place. If applicable, reattach the dishwasher's drain hose to the inlet port. Plug the power cord back in, and the garbage disposer should be ready for use.